In the previous video, we talked about how to choose third-party filter accessories. If your robot vacuum is getting louder, tangling more hair, or cleaning less effectively, the brush might be the issue. When purchasing third-party robot vacuum cleaner accessories, the roller brush is also the part that is most prone to problems. Here is what to look for. Let's start with the side brush. Low-quality side brushes tend to split at the end or lose bristles. This reduces edge cleaning performance and increases maintenance frequency. Check real product photos whenever possible. The bristles should stand upright, be evenly distributed, have reinforced bases to prevent falling out. If available, choose anti-tangle designs. These reduce hair wrapping and extend durability. Now the main brush. The most overlooked detail is the bearing design at both ends. Hair almost always wraps around the ends of the roller. High-quality third-party brushes usually feature removable bearings, allowing easy cleaning and maintenance. If the bearing area is sealed or difficult to access, cleaning becomes time-consuming and frustrating. Next, consider rubber blade flexibility. For full rubber rollers, the blades should have balanced thickness. The curvature should match floor contact. Overly stiff rubber can increase noise levels and may even scratch wooden floors. Too soft and the cleaning performance drops. Reading buyer reviews about noise and floor compatibility can be very helpful here. A well-designed brush improves cleaning efficiency and reduces long-term maintenance. Structure and material matter more than branding alone.
Search techTongBo to get accessory details.